It's a girl Jenese Hair Salon. How are you doing? Did you miss me? Well, I am here now. I am going. You see my hair? Watch it. I am starting my lock journey. Yes, I am starting it. Now I now start in September. Almost finished. I have a little eczema going on in it, scalp. It wants to retighten, you know. I'm going to turn around a little to see if you could see it. I have a little grid going on. I hope you all seen it, right? So, but I have something otherwise for my lock journey. You see, sometimes you might not want to have your hair like this. So what did I do? I made a wig, a headband wig. Yes, a headband wig. And I am going to show it to you just now. And I'm going to show you how I did it too. Easy and cheesy. So if you have starter locks, if you have locks from whenever, you could use this. If you're having a bad hair day, you could use it. If you're not feeling to go to the hairdresser or whatever, you just doesn't feel to do your hair, doesn't want no heaviness on your head, you could do this. Let's go. Hi everyone. Yeah, this is your girl Jenesehairsalon. Welcome back to our next channel. Thank you for coming again and taking what I have to offer you. Now, I already did this wig because I wanted it for church. And as I said in the video, of the beginning of the video, I am locking my hair. So I have short locks, like small locks. And you know, sometimes we're gonna want to try different style, you know, in the beginning because of how short our hair is. So with no further ado, this is the wig. This is, I know you all know this headband. It is an headband. As I said, I did it before, but I am going to show you what I did. So I have the headband and I put it on the mannequin head, right? Okay, I put it on the mannequin head and I actually braid from one side to the next side, right? And I am going to show you what I did. Well, I pre-plait this here, right? Pre-plait it. What I did, I put a string around my chair and I plait it to the length I wanted it to. This kind of jumpy, but yeah, I plait it to the length that I wanted to. And after I plait it, I get my weaving thread here. Let me thread it for you. Okay, so this was the loose braid, and I take it a piece and I plait it down. Now, if you don't know how to plait, I have tutorials and you will see how I plait, or you could always buy the ready-make, like the crochet ones, and I have a crochet one which I will show you, but it is a fox locks, right? So what I did, I make sure that I fold out all the space, that when I have it on, it doesn't look too scanty or anything like that. And what I did, I actually put my finger here, I put my finger underneath, which is optional, and I will do a stitch braid stitch. I will stitch the braid down to the cap. Now this stitch doesn't have to be perfect, it can be any stitch, you know. As you can see, I jumbo my stitch, and you stitch. And also you want to stitch the part where the braid started. See? And I tuck it down, so it's very secured as it is. And after I sew it, I will put a knot on it, like a knot, and then I will use my scissors and I will erase the thread. Now after you do the all, this is let me count it for you. This is 42 plaits, right? 42 plaits, and it go around the head, and I will show you just now how I put it. After I put in this, I will hot water it, and I will hang it on the line and let it dry, and I will show you the length after I take it off the braid. This is the length, and this part where you're not seeing any hair, this is the front. I don't want it to be in the front. Now some people, this is the headband. Some people will actually put the headband on the mannequin head, and they will glue the hair on it. But because I am not going to wear this headband every day, so right, I am going to do it this way. So when I do it this way, I could use different type of headbands. Before the time go, let me show you. This is the fox locks. This fox locks already come ready made. Same headband, any headband of your choice. I would suggest you get a black one, and here you have it. This already come ready made, and this is my second time doing this, using this fox locks, because I had it in a ponytail. Now I want it to be down, and I will stitch it, and you see how I stitch it. So I will put on the wig and let you see how I do it in a second. Ladies and gentlemen, for those who, boys and girls, for those who watching, so this is the wig that I finished. I now show you a little tutorial of how I did it. And you want to put this over your head, right? Make sure you set it how you want it. Normally I pull it down and bring it back so I could have a little baby hair, right? And the hair to hair, make sure it's correct. And I want to show you in the back how it looking, if you could see it, right? So that is all. So the reason why I didn't put it on the headband, because I like to change up my style. So I use this one. What? Voila! Who could know? How would they know? How would they know? Right? Look in the back. See? They can't know. They would not know. Right? And then if I want to change it up, I don't want this thing to be too long. I have my head. This is a scarf. And I will put it like this. Make sure it's even on either side. Bring it in the back. It's just a quick tutorial I'm giving you all, you know, right? Tie, like twist it. So let me see if I could show you what I am doing. So you will bring it to the back. Make sure you cover it. You fold it. I hope you all see. Fold it. Fold it. Right, bring it to the front. Twist, you want to twist it tight. like, yeah, you're twisting it tight. Right, look how that coming. Just look how perfect that coming. And after you twist it, you could use any headband of your choice, and I will do it like this and wrap it in the back and take. I want to show you the back part, so let me do it. And tell me what y'all think about this. Easy and peasy, and no, it is not tight. It depends on how you wrap in it, right? It is not tight. So here we go, and in the back, nothing showing. See? I hope y'all seen it. Perfect. And that's it. No makeup needed. Just wash your face. I'm kind of hot now because I have to turn off the fan. I don't want it to be that you hear. I don't want you to hear it in the background. So I turn it off. You might hear a little dog barking. But here you go. Voila. Tell me, how would they know? How would you know? How would they know? If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know.